So this is my dashboard for the Roomba, and I'm going to give a quick demo of how this thing works. So there's my Roomba, and the first thing is, as you can notice on the dashboards, there is the set of commands that you can control the Roomba with, and a whole bunch of gauges for different sensors. So right now it's docked and it's in passive mode. So let me turn it to safe mode first. Okay, as you can see in safe mode, there's a bunch of sensors that have like come alive. Now let's undock it and move the Roomba back. As you can see, most of the sensors are already set up in this dashboard. So let me give a demo of how some of these sensors might be triggered. Let's get to an obstacle. So I want to go up to the front door. Okay, we've got the bumper signals that have just come up. We back it up. You can see the sensors. As it turn around, the different signals start to pick up the wall and a bunch of other things. Alright, so let's back up and try the bump sensor. I want to try to bump it against the sofa. There you go. Left bump, right bump. Let's try to move it back. And go to another wall. Of course, all the bumper signals have come up. Now, let's see if you can get this guy to dock. So this also, you can switch modes from safe to full mode, which basically ignores all of the fail safes built in. You can drive it in safe mode, or you can switch it in passive mode, in which case it takes control. Another cool feature of the dashboard is I've encoded the seek dock button, so it automatically finds the dock. So I'm going to hit the seek dock now. It comes alive, and it looks like it's found the dock. As you can see how It's dock, I guess. Oh, there we go. Cool. The details of the implementation and the code are available in the description.